Okay, so aside from the PDF file, you can also print. So instead of uh, doing the PDF thing and print it from there, you can directly print it from the website, from the system. So just click this button here, the lower right button, so that you will go to the print settings. So you can see it automatically generates the report for printing. Next is also you can send an email. So you can send the report or an email about this report to your recipients. So, for example, to your CEO or to your finance head or to your accounting staff. And you can do a custom message. So you can type here what message you want to send and the things you want to tell to the recipient. So, and another one, which is a nice one, a nice feature too, is a reminder. So you can actually set reminder and an auto email to the recipients. So you can change the title name to profit and loss or any name you want to use, and you can set a schedule. For example, you want the report to be sent, let's say weekly, so that's once a week. So you can choose either Tuesday or Thursday, or you can do twice a week, or you can do monthly. So it's all there. You can set it up. So no need to manually click the report here or go here inside the system and click the report or click um, the buttons here for sending an email. So you can just schedule, especially reports you want daily or weekly. So you can all set it all here. You want daily, you want it twice a day or thrice a day, it's all here. So after that, so I'll be discussing to you now the chart of accounts. So let me go back to the dashboard. Just click the home icon there, upper left, and you scroll down, you look for the chart of accounts. So the chart of accounts is under the here, under the setup menu or uh, category. So you can see here all the chart of accounts, account number, the account name, is it checking or is it savings, and the foreign currency balance. So you all can see it in one book. So just scroll down for the other chart of accounts. And next is I'll be showing to you or you can show the inactives here. So you'll see that these are the inactive ones. So you can do some edit on it. Next is I'll be showing you the budgeting. So budgeting is very important in a company so that you can foresee your current budget with with the forecasted budget. So you can adjust accordingly depending on the status of your budget right now. So you just click budgets, and here you can see the amounts uh, that you are budgeting per account. So accounts payable, accounts receivable has 2.4 million budget. So I'll be showing you right now on how to create a budget. So just click new budget. And here you can see what subsidiary you want to put the budget in. So either US1 or US2 on and the year of the budget, and location. So what account type? Is it incoming expense or income only, or is it in balance sheet? So you can choose to specify the account type. So for example, you want to give a budget to your sales team, 100,000 budget per year. So you just type 100,000 there in the first box, and you just distribute it. You distribute the 100,000, click distribute for the whole year. So it automatically computes the budget per month. So it's even. They're all the same from January to December. So, or another approach is that if you want to put a budget on your shipping income, so let's say you want fixed budget shipping income at let's say 80,000 per month. So you can click the fill button. So it will sort of copy paste uh, the amount to each of the month for the whole year. So 80,000 each month. So that's it. So you can either do two of those approaches, the distribute method or the fill method. And it's very simple budgeting. That's why you need PBCS for a more comprehensive and complicated one. Um, Next, I'll be showing you the um, budget versus actual. So you can see here that the actual left right now for your budget versus the, let's say the budget amount is for sales is $71. So it's oh yeah, the amount is 29 million plus over budget, so very big from the given, because the actual is 29 million and you are only given a $71 budget. So that's very big discrepancy in your budgeting. So you just check here on the percentage for you to easily um, see if it's over the budget or under budget. So you can also change what type of what period you want to look at, from what year, or would you like it to be done on a subsidiary context or basis. So if you want to see it on a subsidiary basis, um, budgeting. So just click the column here and look for subsidiary and click refresh for you to see the figures. So there you can see that the US1 has this budget, US2 has this budget, and the comparison. So you can export again, you can create data or graph, and you can send email and do some reminders. So next, let's go to period close management. So go back to the dashboard again. You scroll down and you look for the period close, this one, the period close category. So just click, let's look first the accounting periods. Accounting periods will show you the all of the accounting year involved in your businesses. So you can see here that they're not yet locked. So all you have to do is click the um, the microscope icon, and for you to do some lock on this one. So you want to click the AR, you mark them. If you want to lock only US1, you just click the close box and you click submit. So that's it for you to lock subsidiary. If you want to lock all, just click mark all button. So that's it. That's about the accounting period. And let's go to allocation. Same category. It's in the period close category. So you go to the period close, you click allocation. So here you can see the allocations based on a monthly basis or yearly basis. So you click new allocation for you to do some allocation to your businesses. So just put the name, what allocation type you choose. Is it fixed or dynamic? And what subsidiary you choose. So here, from source to destination, so you have to see also the destination from let's say from your headquarters to your US1 subsidiary. So that's it. That's how to do allocations. Next is amortization. So here in the amortization uh, feature or category, you can do some depreciation. You can check your assets, how to depreciate, or what is the status of the depreciation, or the amortization, I mean. So there, you can click the new amortization if you want to add another item to amortize. You can set the period offset. You can also set the start offset. So, and what type of amortization? Is it variable or standard? Or what method you'd like to use? Is it custom, or you want straight line but using the exact number of days? So that's it. You just add the item here for amortization. Next is we will go to your realized exchange rate. So let's go to the exchange rates right now. So we will see here the foreign currency status of your exchange. So let's go to the detailed reports category, and let's just click the three of these tabs so that you can see them one by one. Oh, oops. Oh, sorry. I'll do the clicking again. I'll close all of these first. Oh, here. Okay. So you can see the this one is the unrealized exchange rate and gain and loss. So you can see here how much is the loss due to the foreign currency exchange, and we can also see reversals here, what period and how much is the source exchange rate and the ending exchange rate. So also you'll all see here in one look. So just like the other previous screens, you can choose what period. So all you have to do is click refresh. You can export and send email, etc. So next is the realized. So in the realized, just like unrealized, it all shows here the source exchange rate, the counting period, and the base amount or the realized gain or loss. So here also is the exchange rates. So NetSuite supports 190 currencies or exchange rates currencies. So we are very much broad or almost complete with all of these exchange rates. So next is let's go to fixed assets. So fixed assets, and let me close first some of these tabs. So fixed assets is found in the fixed asset category. So you'll see here, let's click lists, or I mean assets. So here you can see all your furniture and fixtures assets. So you can see here your steel binding, how much is it, and what accounting method you're using. So the depreciation method. So if you want to add another asset um, to the list, so here you can see the name. You just put the name, then the asset type. You can choose here, is it building or an IT equipment, machinery. So put in the original cost, and is it, are you want, would you like to use the straight line or the fixed declining method or the zero depreciation? So basically, you can just check here, or and here you can put your asset lifetime. Would you like it to be 36 months, or that's 3 years, 60 months, or that's 5 years? So there. So you can see here the insurance. So let's say the building. So the building is insured under this insurance company, the policy number, the value of the insurance, and your amount, the premiums you are going to pay for that insurance. So it's all here. It's all recorded here in just one one look on one data or one page. So accounts, the lease, the maintenance, the asset sale or disposal. So it's all here. Next, we will go to journal entry. So you will see the details of your GL. So journal entries are very important in an accounting system because it records all the details of the transactions. So basically, you can add your journal entries here from what subsidiary and what currency to use, and would you prefer a deferred entry, or you want to set the reversal date. So it's all here. And the form, would you like it to be an intercompany journal entry form or a standard journal entry form? So it's all here. So tax reporting, you can also take note of that here, the document number, communications related to the journal entry. So that's it. That's how to do your journal entries. Next is intercompany um, or I mean the banking or the bank reconciliation. So let's go again. Let's go back again to the dashboard. So you can see the dashboard. So bank reconciliation is in the banking and budgeting category. So You can see here that there are lots of categories to look at. So there's revenue, there are purchases. So, okay, let me see. Okay, here. So, um, it's either you want to reconcile by doing manual entry here, or the latest NetSuite program we have is just an uploading of the statement of account. So just click this one, the reconcile account statement here, found below the history button and the refresh button. So you just click that one for us to go to the page, and all you have to do is upload your statement of account from the bank. And there are configurations or parameters involved wherein they have to check the how that statement looks so that it can be configured here in the system when you are already when you so that there will be no problems. There will be no problems when you do the uploading. So it will read the statement. So you can do the matching here, the reconciliation, and it will just automatically compute for you. The system will automatically compute for you. And that's it. That's for the controller role. So basically, the financials features of NetSuite are already discussed. So that's an overview of the financial side of NetSuite, the product. So let me go first to the administrator, because as I mentioned a while ago, I'll be showing to you a tax report. So on how it looks like when when you want to see the actual tax report or the form. So here, let's go to this one, Tax Reports International. So in Tax Reports International, you can see the format. So yeah, the format of your tax report. So you can choose what period you'd like. So let's say, let's try UK. Maybe we can derive or get a report from UK. And let's choose 2017. Okay. Oh, oh, here. Yeah, yeah. That's it. So this is how the VAT return form looks like for UK, United Kingdom. So you can see that it's just basic. You can see the details here and the amount. So that's it. It's all in there. We will just have to configure it for you, and all you have to do is just click for you to generate the report. So that's it. And I guess that's all. That's all for now for my financials presentation, the demo side. So I'll go back to my slides. Okay, so after the demonstration, I'll just uh, do a recap or a short summary on the value propositions with our product after seeing the demos. In summary, these are the value propositions. So as you can see, there's a real-time access to data. All you have to do is click refresh button. After entering the data or the information in the system, click refresh button, and voila, you can see already the real-time data. So aside from that, the system is very much configurable. So it's 100% configurable. You can see that I just drag the settings of the settings um, icon there, or the settings square box there, or the box there, and drag it up so that you can see it immediately. No need to scroll down. Or you can also do that to other portlets. Oh yeah, I mean the portlets. So the setting portlets, you just drag it up. The navigation portlet, you can drag it up. The KPI portlet, you can drag it up or drag it down depending on your preferred look of the page. So also the change date context, very much easy to do. Just click it and just choose from the drop down, and the subsidiary context, same as the date context, just click, choose from the drop down, and you can view the businesses across subsidiaries. So in just one spreadsheet or one look, one in the one screen, you can see all the entire business per subsidiary. And there, the real-time access also of the subsidiary consolidation. No need to ask to call your subsidiary A or B for you to get the report and do the consolidation yourself. It's all there in the system. You just click it, or just do a reminder, right? So you just set a reminder for you to receive the data, the report every week, every daily, or every month. That's it. And you can do a drill down through the entire company. So you can check the headquarters, or what, foreign currency exchange. You can do a roll up also. You can do roll up or drill down, whichever you choose. So next is the GL impact. So it's visible right from the start. So the transactions, the tax, you can see it there. And you can easily segment your departments, your locations, your class, your subsidiary, and easy to navigate. So streamlined processes and navigation of the system. And it's very easy to use. You can save a lot of time. Um, you can really compare it from your manual processes. And it supports over 50 tax jurisdictions. You can submit your taxes online, and you have a pre-filled documents or forms. So in effect, you can save time. So basically hassle-free. So those are the value propositions. So yeah, next steps. Do you have any questions? Or are you decided to get the product right now? So we can set a meeting on the requirements, or the pain points you want to address. Okay. So for you to contact us, this is the information. You can see here my name and our company, and yeah, it's been a good day, a good time, and thank you for sharing your time with us, for giving me this moment to share to you our company and the products we offer. And for that, um, may we see each other again, hopefully. So that's it. Thank you and good day.